Now, let's pass the data using bundle. So, in my main activity.java, I will declare bundle any variable and instantiate it. Go to new bundle. And then I will put remarks for my I1.putExtra because this time I'm going to use bundle. So bundle dot put string and I will use ngalan as my key field, and then the data will come from et.getName. I'll just copy this and paste it here. Same with the age bundle that put string. So I have edad for the key field, and I will copy the value of my ETH. Then I will put the bundle data in my intent. I1 dot put extras with S, and this time the parameter will be the bundle. Now, on my next activity.java, I will declare bundle. So let's say bundle 2. Then I will assign the value of my intent, which is variable is I2, so that is I2 dot get extras. Therefore, instead of using get string extras of I2, so I will put remarks for my intent get string extra. So I have tb name dot set text. So this time is bundle 2 dot get string and then the key. So that is ngalan. Same with the age. So tb age dot set text. And that will be from my tb. So I'll just copy the value of bundle. And the key field now will be edad. Let's try the program. So here are our program. I will assign, let's say, again, RAC, and for the age, 21. Then, so I'll just click next and let us check. So the data is sent to the next activity. Now, let's return data from the second activity going back to the original activity. So in my main activity, instead of start activity, we will use start activity for result. So you have start activity for result. And it requires two parameters. The intent and the request code. So you have any value for your request code. And then, in your next activity, okay, I will place edit text for a simple message going back to the main activity. Okay, so the ID will be edit message. So I'll just put constraints on the layout. Then in my next activity.java, I will declare edit text. So let's say et message and instantiate it here. Bind it with using find view by ID. Et message is equal to find view by ID or that ID dot edit message. Semicolon. And then in my method, before the finish method, I will assign to the intent the value of my message. et.put extra and the key field will be message. And its value will come from my edit text et message dot get editable dot to string. And I will put it in my result, that set result. So my intent code, let's say 5, any value for the result code, and the intent is I2. Then let's go back in our main activity and override the method on activity result. On activity result. Then, let's assign the value of the intent with the key field message in our text view. So, I will declare the text view. Let's say TB message and bind it. So you have TB message. So let's import first the class here to remove the error. Or that ID that text view. Then in our method on activity result, let's assign the value in our TB message that set text the value of our data, which is the intent. So that get string extra with the key field MSG. Okay, let's try the program. So let's try. I will put here RAC. Again, 21. Click next. So the data has been transferred here. And I will put the message here. Let's say PLP. And go back to the original activity. And the value is assigned in our text view. Also, let's override the backpress in our next activity.java. So that if we're going to press this in next activity, it will have the same action with our button. At override. So we're going to override the backpress. Override this. So before it calls the super method, it will do the same action as what we have in gopreb method. Save, and then let's run. RAC, and then let's say 21. Click next, and then let's say PLP. Previews. So you have there, the value is PLP. Then next, let's say the message is passive. And then this time I'm going to press the back. Okay. So we have passive in our text view. That's it.